Hey, welcome to our Couch to 5K course. I'm Craig.
And I'm Nikki.
And we're really excited to have you on this course. We're sure you're going to love it.
Right. Our goal is to get you off the couch to your very first 3-mile or 5-kilometer race. This is something which many people think is not possible, but we're going to show you it's not only possible, but how to do it in a way that you can have lots of fun and an easy journey to get you to that distance.
Right, it's going to be a lot of fun. We guarantee you there might be times we've got to put a little bit of effort in, but it's going to be one of the easiest programs to get you to develop your core fitness, your Couch to 5K 3-mile fitness.
You've enrolled in this course because you have a dream to run a first 5K, so we recommend to make this dream a reality. Go right now online and look for a 5K race in your area. You'll find it whether it's a park run or a race that's run by your city. Look for one and register, or tell your friends, I'm running my first park 5K. Do it, because that will make you committed to get through this course.
Right, so go get a goal because you're on an exciting program and an exciting journey, and there's going to be no looking back from here.